guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today I'm presenting to you all of our Banarsi silks that are up to 50% off here at our flagship anniversary sale. So let me show you. So here we've selected this really gorgeous shade of cyan blue. This looks really beautiful, perfect to recreate into nice blouse pieces. Even for a lehenga, if you want to customize this fabric into a nice blouse, it would be quite ideal. And the perfect part about it is all of this gold zari weaving that you see. It's a very gorgeous Banarsi silk, and all of these Banarsis that I'm presenting in front of you, all of them are up to 50% off in our sale store, which is for the entire month of September. So this is the perfect time for you to purchase any of these fabrics. So here we've selected another very gorgeous and regal Banarsi silk in front of you. This is in a really nice shade of hot pink, and if you take a look, it's got this really nice gold zari weaving to it. It's quite royal and regal, and it looks really perfect. You can recreate this into a nice suit, a lehenga. Even if you want to create a beautiful blouse piece for a sari, this kind of fabric would look ideal for it. And the perfect part about it is that all of them are up to 50% off in our Banjara Hills sale. So if you guys want to see more of these collections, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now here what you see is another royal blue shade of Banarsi brocade, and all over this you can see this heavy zari weaving done across it in nice light gold color. It gives a really regal touch and it's quite royal. You can see these colors of yellows, pinks and orange also across it. Perfect to recreate any kind of blouses for lehengas or saris. Even if you want to create any kurtis or dupattas with this kind of Banarsi, it would really give a nice statement look. So if you guys are looking for more of these Banarsi collection, you can follow us on our social media handle, or you could visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now this too is a nice dual tone of Banarsi silk, and all over this you can see this highlight, foil work and zari weaving done. So this gives a really unique and different design to the entire Banarsi silk. This is quite royal and very rich, and the quality also of it is really beautiful. So if you guys want more of these collections, or you are looking for any kind of discounts, the perfect part about it is that we've got a month-long sale going on in the month of September at Banjara Hills store. So all of these fabrics are up to 50% off, so you guys have to come and get it. So here you can see this very rich Banarsi silk in front of you with a nice dual tone of violet and green, and all over this you can see this nice gold zari weaving. And you can also take a look at all of the butta work. So this is perfect to recreate into a nice blouse piece. You can stitch this into a blouse for a lehenga or a sari or even a kurti. And the perfect part about it is the color of it. So if you guys are looking for more of these collections, you can follow us on our social media handles. Now this is a really nice shade of violet color of Banarsi silk, and all over this you can see this nice floral tree-like design done in gold zari weaving. This too would be ideal to create any traditional outfits, but if you're going for a fusion wear too, these kind of Banarsi silks would really make you stand out. And you can get all of this up to 50% off in our Banjara Hills sale. Even on the fabric cutting, you get up to 20% off. And if you're looking for more of such silk fabrics or cut pieces as well, we've got amazing offers at Banjara Hills store. Now this is in a very nice and rich shade of blue color, and it looks really beautiful. This Banarsi silk is quite soft as well, and you can recreate this into beautiful blouse pieces for your saris and lehengas. Even if you want to create a nice kurti or a kurta, this would give a really royal look for a menswear outfit too. And you have this nice booties done all over it in nice light gold zari weaving, making it look perfect to recreating into any traditional outfits, especially during this festive season. And we've got many more shades in this. So if you guys are looking for more of such shades, you can come visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now here you can see this really nice dark green shade of Banarsi silk in front of you with beautiful gold zari weaving. You can also see this look of pink color in this green, giving a beautiful contrast, perfect to create any kind of blouse pieces or any lehenga blouses as well. And all over this you can see this really gorgeous design done. This is a very rich Banarsi, and it would be perfect to create any kids wear outfits or menswear too. Now here we have this really rich shade of bottle green Banarsi silk in front of you, and it's got this all over design on it with nice gold zari weaving done. All of this gives a very grand and royal look, perfect to recreate any vest coats or even a menswear kurta, a sherwani. There are many outfits that can be created with this, and it would be perfect for the wedding season or for the festive. And we've got really nice shades in this, and all of these are on our sale for up to 50% off. So here we've got another very beautiful dark blue shade of Banarsi silk with a very beautiful quality as well. As you can take a look, it's very royal and very grand, and all over this you can see this nice gold zari weaving done, perfect to recreate any kind of blouse pieces, lehengas. You can even customize a beautiful lehenga with this. If you're going for something more grand and you want it in Banarsi, this kind of Banarsi silk would be ideal for it. So if you're looking for how much fabric would be requiring, you can come visit us at our store, and we've got a 20% discount on our fabric cutting as well. And if you purchase the entire thon, you get it up to 50% off. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment below for more details. And if you guys want to see all of the other collections, you can visit us at Banjara Hills store because we have the sale for the entire month, and subscribe to our channel.